Cruelty. Do you know cruelty is one of the main reason for filing of divorces? In my own personal experience, around 60 to 70% of my client comes to me saying that they want to file divorce because they are being subjected to those cruel treatment. Now, let us try to understand how this cruelty word evolved with time in the legal course. First time in way back in 1897 in a case between Russell and Russell in it was held that a cruelty is something which is detrimental to the well-being and the safety of any person. Now, with time, the court has taken its own independent view on cruelty and it has evolved with time. Now, it is totally based on the social stature, the kind of background with which the complainant is coming to the court, or the kind of relationship, the religion, and the practices or lifestyle they have. So now there are two kind of cruelty. One is physical cruelty and another is mental cruelty. Physical cruelty, the word itself is easy to understand that any kind of bodily injury which is imparted on you can be considered as a physical cruelty. Now, mental cruelty. Mental cruelty is a very vast field. uh, it is very subjective from one person to another person how it can be treated and how well it will be accepted in the court of law. Some of them very important uh, uh, way by which you can allege that you have been subjected to mental cruelty is one among which is those abusive words or those taunting or those unusual gestures which your husband or wife, or let us me say that, which a partner makes or his or her family members make against the complainant, and those illegal and unethical demands which is made by the family or by the spouses against each other, that is also considered as a mental cruelty. Okay, not taking care of the other partner or not providing giving him the love and affection which the partner is supposed to get is also considered as a cruelty. So you have to understand whether you are getting into those kind of cruel treatment, those kind of treatments, before you allege anyone of being a cruel. Now let us also try to understand what is generally not considered as a cruelty. Any kind of short-tempered nature is not considered as a cruelty. Then unhappiness for any reason, that also is not considered as a cruelty. If the unhappiness is because of the sum of the behavior, then it can be considered as a cruelty. But you are unhappy because of some other reason of yourself, or you feel that you are not unhappy in the married life, then it will not be considered as a cruelty. So you keep watching this session. I will come up with few of the examples which will give you more insight on how to handle those cruel behavior and has to be put across in the court of law. Thank you.